Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and today I'm going to tell you how I manage to get paid every 24 hours on the Amazon platform. But before I do, just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get all the notifications of every video coming your way. If you like this video, please like below. There's so much information in the description, so make sure you don't miss that. And if you've got any comments, any questions at all, add them down below and I promise to get back to you. So back to how I manage to get paid every 24 hours on Amazon. If you just take a look at the back of my Amazon account, let me just open that up for you. Okay, so you can see here that these are the payments I've made to myself every day or every couple of days this month in March. So yesterday it was 315, 209, 552, 243, 779, 531, 1031, 178, 206 and 1034. And that really helps with my cash flow. So how does that work? How do I manage to get it done every 24 hours? Well, this is the latest one here, £315.73 that's accumulated in the last, well, today really. So let's just have a look. So I click on View Summary. And you'll see here, transfer £315.73 is scheduled to initiate on the 5th of April. All right, so that's in, 2 weeks' time. But if you click on this button here, it says Request Transfer Now, then that will go straight into your bank account. It takes about 24 hours to get there, but it goes straight there. It processes straight away. So I'll click on that now, Request Transfer Now. And it actually says you cannot disperse more than once in a 24-hour period. So at least that proves to you that I can do it in a 24-hour period. Just on this particular one I can't because I did it within the last 24 hours. So I will just need to wait and I will be able to transfer that over to my account. Now in the US, on the other hand, I am restricted. I could only transfer money every 2 weeks. So as you can see here, the payment went into my account yesterday for $2,000 and I will need to wait, I think when's the next one due? Let's just have a quick look. And I'll need to, 2 weeks time, April the 4th is when I will need to wait and to get the next payment. Now that makes it a little bit more difficult for me on Amazon in the US because it restricts the amount that I can actually grow the business because I've got to make sure I've got a very good line of credit. Otherwise what's going to happen is that my funds will dry up and I won't have enough money to actually pay for the products. So that's why the beauty of Amazon UK for me is that the money is straight into my bank account. I can be putting money on my credit card, on my debit card, but I know that the money is sitting there ready because I've been paid by Amazon so quickly and I can pay for the products. So it makes a big difference to my cash flow. So just watch it, be mindful if you have got the 2 weeks on there that you don't overcommit yourself. And if you do need it, make sure you've got a good line of credit. You're not paying too much in conversion fees. You've got great charges. I've got a brilliant two credit cards that I use when purchasing abroad if I need to. I very rarely use them because I use the money that I already have, and that's sitting in my Payoneer account in the US. But if I do need to use a UK card, then I use Nationwide Credit Card or Creation because they don't charge. There's no extra charge for foreign transactions. Okay, so there will be any links below to other videos on Amazon, selling on Amazon. Go and have a look in the description. Any questions you got, please ask. I will speak to you very, very soon. Take care. Bye for now.